would be much easier to give legal advice to the other side. And for UEFA, it's very difficult. And I do not see that they have any competition law measures, especially on the point they argue it's a closed league. From my point, when you start a new venture, new entrant in the market, that new entrant is often allowed to have some exclusivity to protect its business. Just imagine Amazon or Google would act similarly and say, anyone who's offering goods currently on Amazon marketplaces is not allowed to do that on any competing marketplace. And the outcry, I won't imagine that way, but, and just compare Amazon and UEFA. UEFA is a monopolist. They have 100% market share in organizing football games, and it's different from Amazon. And Amazon has just appeared years ago, and UEFA has now monopolistic position since centuries. Sorry, yeah. So yeah, that's quite clear from my point. I think there are clear legal precedents that what the UEFA is threatening is a clear abuse of a market dominant position, as well as a cartel, because UEFA has some members and all the members work as a cartel. And you have clear precedents, as I said, in the ISU judgment of the European Court of Justice first instance, which is now challenged. But we have also a very interesting case in Germany, which is called the wrestling case, where the federation tried to do the same thing to sanction players participating in that unauthorized event. We have the commission, not decision, but statements given in the Formula One case, which are quite clearly on that prohibition of competing events. Exactly, innovation. There is no innovation without competition. And in the organization of European sports, you only have one company, only one organization, and I think that's always bad. And if you look back to that Media Partner International case, the Project Gandalf, there was a pressure from Media Partner International on UEFA, and the thing is that UEFA improved their competition, and the competition became much more attractive. Clubs got more money, in the time afterwards, much more viewers were interested in that competition. So it was even in the best interest of UEFA to have that competition. It was what we call potential competition. But whenever you have a monopoly, you can see it on telephone monopoly, there's no innovation, nothing, and quality will be lowered, prices will be raised. Yeah.